In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sell a car on Facebook Marketplace. We'll walk through the full process using the Facebook app so your listing looks professional and reaches the right buyers. Before you start, make sure you have a few clear photos of your car, the basic details like year, make, model, mileage, and a price you're comfortable with. Open the Facebook app on your phone and sign in. From the home screen, go to the menu by tapping the three horizontal lines, usually at the upper right. On some devices, the menu may be along the bottom, but the icon is the same. Inside the menu, tap Marketplace. It looks like a small shop icon. If prompted, allow location access so your listing shows up for nearby buyers. In Marketplace, tap Sell at the top of the screen. Depending on your app version, you might see Create New Listing or a plus sign. Choose Vehicles. This category unlocks the fields buyers expect when they're shopping for cars. Now enter your car's details. Add the year, make, model, trim, mileage, condition, transmission, fuel type, and title status. If you have a clean title and maintenance records, mention that in the description. Be honest about any issues to build trust and avoid wasted time. For the price, research similar cars in your area and aim for a realistic number. Many sellers leave a small buffer for negotiation, but keep it fair so your listing gets interest. Add photos next. Use good, natural lighting and include multiple angles: front, rear, both sides, wheels and tires, the interior, back seats, trunk, and a clean shot of the dashboard with the odometer. You can also include the engine bay if it's tidy. Remove personal items, and if your license plate is visible, consider covering or blurring it. Set your location so local buyers can find you. Double check the category is vehicles and that the basic info is accurate. When everything is filled out, tap next to preview your listing. Read it like a buyer would. Look for typos, unclear details, or missing photos. A clear, friendly description helps, including highlights like recent service, new tires, or great fuel economy. When you're satisfied, tap publish. Facebook may briefly review your listing before it goes live. After publishing, respond promptly to messages, keep communication inside Messenger, and prioritize safety. Meet in a public, well-lit place, bring the necessary paperwork for your region, and use secure payment methods. When the car is sold, mark the listing as sold to stop new inquiries. That's it. You've created and posted a complete car listing on Facebook Marketplace.